My beloved student, welcome to all. In this morning, today we will also discuss about the chapter 1, part 2. In this chapter, we will learn about the important points. First is the development of resources. Number 2, about the major problems of the resources. Number 3, about the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. You will also learn about the Agenda 21 or the aims of the Agenda 21. You will also learn about the sustainable development of the resources. In this part, we will also discuss about the resources planning in India, and in the last, conservation of the resources. First is development of the resources. We know development of the resources dependent on the basis of development of human-made resources, human activities, human talents, ideas, knowledge, and the dependent on the develop in the technologies. India has also, there are so many resources available, but not even distributed in the world, in our countries also. Some areas in our country has also available sufficient mineral resources, but other area fully that means resourceless areas in our countries, and those has some state has no available the mineral resources. Some area has rich in the agriculture sectors, but other states or the areas very poor in the agriculture sectors. So it required development of the resources. Quality of life dependent on the development of the resources. Major problems, now we will also learn about the major problems of the resources. There are so many problems for the development of the resources are: first is depletion of the resources. Depletion of the resources. Some area has depleted through the resources or the maximum overutilization of the resources. So therefore, that area evacuate or the very empty from the certain or the important or valuable resources. For the example, a Jharia coal mine in the recent time depleted, and that means that area has very few coal found from that mines. Some in the Rajasthan, firstly was the dense forest, but in the recent time that area convert into the desert. So empty or the depleted some minerals and the resources from the certain parts of the countries. Resources in the few hands. Some resources in the few hands. And that means individual ownership or the owner is some individual persons. For the example, in the Jharkhand, mineral resources under the central government, but occupied and or the undertaken by the state government of the Jharkhand. So that area, this area is very rich in the minerals, but in the Jammu and Kashmir, Uttaranchal, in the northeast states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya regions has no abundant found the minerals. So resources in few hands. And another point is the indiscriminate use of the resources. Indiscriminate use of the resources, the maximum resources has waste due to the indiscriminate use of the resources. And excessive use of the resources are the main features for the major problems of the resources. Now, we will also discuss about the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. You know, resources form and convert into the usable form by the human activities. Suppose that in this triangle on the top, environment or the environmental resources. On the base technology and another institution, another base institution. In the center, human beings. So therefore, human beings obtain material from the environment or the natures, and use of the technologies for the development of the resources in the institution. Then that materials convert into the usable form. Therefore, you can say this process about the resources. So, Rio de Janeiro has also introduced in the first Earth Summit 1992 in the Brazil. In this figure, suppose that this is the map of the world. Here North America, here South America, here is Florida, and Greenland, Baltic Sea, Mediterranean Sea, then Africa or the African countries. Here is the Red Sea, Malagasy, Gulf of Faras. Here is India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, then Australia, here is New Zealand, Sumatra, Java Islands, Japan, etc. These types of Antarctica here. In this world map, here is located the Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is the parts of the Brazil in the South America. There are 100 representatives from the different countries come and meet in the 1992 at the place of Rio de Janeiro, and here also locate Sao Paulo of the Brazil country. So 100 heads of the countries meet in the Rio de Janeiro in Brazil and discuss on the environmental balance and the environmental unbalance. These members or the heads discussed about the discuss on the country environmental protections. How can be possible environmental balance and protect the environmental imbalance. And they are also they had also discussed about the socio-economic development of the resources. And he has they have also usage technologies. How can we possible reduce to the pollution of the nations? And biological diversities, how can be possible manage and the balanced? And he has also discussed on the global warming. These are the so many problems created in the world, and the protection of the forest and animals. How can be possible eradicate to the poverty and a human health care center built on the world levels. So, given some important points discussed by the members or the heads of the earth of this earth summit, and he has also discussed about the agenda 21. What are the agenda 21? Agenda 21 means there are 21 important points for the discussion of developed and balance to the nature, and unbalance, how can we eradicate and convert into the balance of the environment. So, in the Agenda 21, there are main aims and the goals was achieving the global sustainable development of the resources. Achieving the sustainable development of the resources. What is the meaning of sustainable development of the resources? Sustainable, sustain means which types of the resources used by the human beings, but use of the knowledge, technologies, and not waste those materials. That means without damaging to the environment, without damaging to the environment, which types of the resources used by the human beings for the economic development, socio-economic development, cultural development, that is also known as the sustainable development. So, sustainable development of the resources and the goal was the under the Agenda 21 global cooperations for the environmental balance and eradicate the poverty and the different types of the disease. In the recent times, coronavirus is the world level disease create and so many problem also created. So, how can we possible and control on this virus? It is the problem, and goal in the recent time will be a agenda under the Agenda 21. How can we improve in the health care and the health centers? Now, we will also discuss about the resources planning. Resources planning means planning of the resources for the socio-economic development of the resources. Therefore, a planning may be needed for the economic, cultural, social, socio-economic development of the nations. For the resources planning required, firstly, identification, invention of the resources, use of the technologies for the quality and the quantities of the resources, and for the planning usage of the human activities. Planning will be judicious use and not indiscriminate, but discriminate use. So, planning for the judicious use, for planning, invention, and that means eradications of the poverties and unemployment, identifications of the resources. For this, after the identifications required the surveying of the resources, then mapping, qualities and the quantities, estimation and measurement of the resources. For the resources development, using of the skill, ideas, knowledge and the technologies, reduce of overutilizations of the resources, reduce of the overutilizations of the resources and the exploitations of the resources, depletion of the resources, and how can we possible manage and measure of the balance of the natural resources for the development of resources in the futures. Now, we will also discuss in these parts about the conservations of the resources. Conservations of the resources means how can we conserve of the resources. First, under the conservation, we will also discuss about the material, that means material substitutions. Material substitutions identify, invent for the reduce of the depletions. Number 2, product life extensions. Any resources product for the development of the resources may be or should be extension. And recycling, reuse and reusable form also required for the conservation of the resources. So then the recycling of the resources is required and necessary for the conservation of the resources. And optimum recycling on the low cost also required for the conservation of the resources. Recycling and the pollution taxes and waste reductions are the reductions also required for the conservation of the resources. So many things about the conservation of the resources. Next, parts of this for the conservation of the resources need the net zone, that means first is the Club of Rome also developed. Club of Rome developed for the resources development of the resources made in the ancient times for the purpose of how can we possible reduce of the overutilizations. In the systematic way, 1968. In the 1974, Shoemaker in his book Small is Beautiful exerted on the philosophy of the Mahatma Gandhi. In 1987, the Brundtland Commission report introduced the concept of sustainable development as means for the resource conservations. It was also added in the book Our Common Futures. In 1992, the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil made significant contribution towards the conservation of the resources. In this chapter, in this part, we have also studied about the development of the resources, major problems who create damage to the resources, and the Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992, Agenda 21, Sustainable Development of the Resources, and you have also studied and I have discussed about the resources planning and resources planning in India and how can be possible the conservation of the resources. Thank you.